previously I was reassembling the fairy back onto the frames after they'd come back from the electro polishers, and I was adding fingernails to actually create some definition around the hands so they didn't just look like enormous fingers. This episode is just fleshing it out. So I've spent probably about sort of 7 to 10 days just adding wire, adding definition, managing the proportions, getting denser, adding the skin layer, defining the muscles, then putting the face on. The challenge with this particular one was the fact that the fairy is in a fixed orientation on quite a clumsy stand, and it's very difficult to add wire when you can't actually look at the surface that you're adding it. So you'll see a time or two where I've actually tipped it upside down so I could actually see what I'm working on. So it was slightly challenging from that point of view, but basically you're looking at a week to 10 days work to just flesh out the figure and add the face. One of the challenges that I defined even when I was doing the drawing was whether I could do a bob haircut. So the challenge in the next episode is, did I actually manage to pull that off, or did I go for the traditional curly hair? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more.